Anaji guru ya mi wafa. Anaji guru ya mi papa. Embu no. Ndi pamucho omuba omuntia. O de place na o be fi omu no eche omu ka o. Omu ji bi ni mbo no.
Telly. Aguero! Staggering! Just staggering! He's won the league with 90 seconds of stoppage time to play!
He could have gone down there, Sergio Aguero. And arguably, he's been their most consistent player this season. He stays on his feet, and boy, does he get his rewards.
And the Barclays Premier League has produced here the ultimate in sporting drama. It just does not get better.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! For the thousands in attendance, millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen,
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
All right, what's the anthem? Where the UEFA Champions League and the big game and also to drum was Santiago yesterday. Real Madrid, the Los Blancos, the White Angels, Galacticos, Amanfo and Man City, and also the point where the semi-finals of the UEFA Champions League. First leg encounter and an etuja and so now Madrid, Crodium, and also the Moon Como, and Yebabi D. Eufia, Mamin Cows and them a Canada on the 9th of May 2023. South Shore Brenna Simam Ediana Bapa, non doing 40 minutes past the off 10. Global Sports and our pension Yebabi Dimun Como, and so now Fian somehow drawn and them Eufianity through the Champions League, you know, you be room near Dimun Como. Sansunam, if you near bar on him said ne, and so May 9th, you know, Educianes, Kaka Yechi, a May 9 disaster, is you know, and also you be room, nothing so yet to me, Edimu and Como. And so no fear. Daniel so free mo as of my supporters are yes your stadium no a den and yes yes dear free mo yes bibi and I yes she ne yes you be dimu and so no and komo e wo fear ha another Rihanna Stars and so no eltina fear etime draw here against Carolina United team no and mun komo ye the beba mediama enya victory over Bechem United Amalik te bono of the best power Premier League no so ayu points na edamunum 2 points between the first and the second place team. Ni nyina no ene ebewuram na afin so yedimu enkomo ewo ha manane nsem bepa afisem ebeba itiaya na no so no wahye no so na mo join live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio on Facebook okwa obenya live ewo YouTube nso no Okoman Radio 97.1 hon so no jumedie no etwagu ewo hono wa eno so no enye Asim Kuma, executive producer, here Kofi Anson bar for Sansona, and a Pastor Paradise, Scorpia Sante, a job Pokeonam, Sansona, the writer, commentator, Amunya Bomechidum, Kama Ziggy, and a Dungeon Sono, Etamechi, the Din Pa Ewa, said Tomzi, and Sono, no fear, and the teacher for Nesha, Skido, and Sono, Awaha, Bully, Awaha, if we didn't come up. Outdona and so no fiantino and also now was sending so and so no etimi area amami. Now circus are paying come from a JDK Adom Enterprise. JDK Adom Enterprise. Identify damn for I didn't say uniama or the cotton JDK Adom Enterprise. Unsa ebeka say cement iron rods nadwa Samson iron galvanized pipes JDK Adom Enterprise Akuffo area about square pipes round pipes angle pipes and a flat bar ni JDK Adom Enterprise eton rod no your half rod quarter rod 3/8 and 5/8 and also JDK Adom Enterprise edi hu ejuma entene tutu anamo na face wadanse hu niama no fa na fa kodan JDK Adom Enterprise no nso entoma na fa kodi ujuma ye check Akropong-Akuapem ye ne tete kwache hospital no and nso edi enhwenim enti frey 0244429533 0244429533 and 0244857874 0244857874 now so I pay only JDK Adom Enterprise and so in the end come on Samsung star 787 ash NLA 787 ash and I pay me so make come for area ma ya mouse come area go bottom non do abo yes chop money promo no koso into phone no na to ticket free star 787 ash now so nya kwenya sign up pay early bird no 10,000 Ghana cedis also be di Edia go botum enyumere nso no wa kwenya sa another 10,000 Ghana cedis eno so betum edim edia free star 787 hash enso no aso ye mementa jackpot ne tuatua 700,000 eno so no betum edi our star 787 hash enso no aso ye boys no de omo agim girls no obia de no agim asofo ne asore ma obia etwa star 787 hash ezan se oman no eden episika enso no di intene obedi sika de na se star 787 hash and I make come for edia ma na name Gaba on my family is Obeso agent. Now it's Amanfo ba ho no make star 787 asana and also ba Okoman radio ha you know better say na fin so share na ya na is also what you niam na say agent no wakoye na is also mfaso de what menya e de ku potom ni nyina na star 787 as na say chere awdo no enso na wo ho and mam nyinya ne say what ticket no na say bibibia akoso e de mam momo no register na fa ticket na star 787 as enso na say na also disika twitwi die e de gu ubotom na niam akoso e de ma open chire mu bia free customer service agent 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 and our WhatsApp no 0272 636 448 0272 636 448 now so no star 787 us and so ending come on pay omukrai mu global sports no and so no yere ba me din Kelvin Amponsah Addi from Eka mejo so na bibia and so no I come area ma Blue Man, yes Mr. Blue and I pay me chia papa Blue ye Chelsea ni badankoyi and no maminchia ne sa so Papa Django ene oye Madrid supporter kese pa ene Papa Django mijiao and I pay say Akuffo no against supporters union no and so ba normal support Man City na ne ma akoso ya Man City bobo kunti Papa J and I pay maminchiao kama pa ho yebe uram ne yakwa manane na ye de amanane nsam no enso no atimi apa ye fi amanane ba na ye se ya bedi nkomo ahodo no enso no e ofia ntino mayenko ene no nsam no toso amanane kakra ntino ye uram amanane ba na fi sam no so ye de ato aso enso no atimi e de amantienko na fi amanane nsam no ye mfambra
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy. ¡Golazo! ¿Qué me importa que me asesinen la garganta mientras se maten a goles? ¡Golazo! ¡Aso!
Say hi Okoman 97.1 as ye uramu na say UEFA Champions League come on and also yet me di elfia ha na anopay ye kwane de na say star 787 as omune krai mu am anopay ye uram na say come out do na wa man no and also no yet me e di aba e wo dwumadi no so ye hyase no ye be hyase and so no e dey free na the big game no and so na to dwam na Santiago Yestapana ba na say e Real Madrid team no nyanso etena fie and now for so much on some from Manchester City team no so no etimi at a point here so we know a first leg encounter of the UEFA Champions League semi-final game and then so to try our Santiago Bernabeu and so send no a Madrid team no the better fee now for so no almost so and Man City and so no etimi at a point internet join live on Facebook we send the fish channel so that so come and mun come no so yere ba a chance so no say Inter Milan and AC Milan ebe bonus two teams no omunyina no home games no ebe koso e Giuseppe Meazza San Siro e Milan kodwamu mnamo ne no Man City e kwa we na afenso no on Real Madrid team no no enso no etumi edi aboani yankwa na afin so no yankwa hwe reactions awodo a nso na todwa arefa ene game no ho na yankwa piemu ewa ye Manchester City team no omo ena ya we team na omo come Madrid na afin so omo Madrid team na etumi abo Jose Pep Guardiola anonso no head coach at Man City na ne yani ni edin komo itene zigori to so na Pep Guardiola on last season game how it had no na say no so what me dey atosu Jose Pep Guardiola and ne yetwe bi a pizza no say Pep last season ukopiemo and Madrid boy how it had na say first leg no boy it had second leg na mo come Madrid no side game last season no mo boy how it had against Madrid no Jose Pep Guardiola side game no who is saying
obviously was, but at the end we make an exceptional first game in Manchester. Exceptional. We did a really good game here. Not exceptional, but a really good game. In general, we make a good performance. It's football. It was not enough. When someone beat us, all we can do is congratulate them, accept it, and move forward. 1 year later, we're here. That means sometimes it's really good. After wake up, we stand up. So what happened last season? That's a good point for us.
Do you take
Winning summer Jose Pep Guardiola and so Eritujwa and run a bisan say last season where say first game no Mupo Itihada against Madrid on Saturday moon come on and the Abasane fantastic game na say game no team papa last season Itihada but I'm Pep and I want to say preparation no at the same your show experience our Champions League no na say a con kind papa and they preparation experience no Man City mono at the same maswe.
I think last season we prepared well to do it. I'm not a big fan to think about it like the experience we had in the positive way, negative way is going to help us. Of course, we are the same managers. 80-90% are the same players in both sides. So, but completely different games. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. The difference is the second leg is at home. I don't know if it's an advantage or disadvantage. But I think everything is going to decide in Manchester.
Everything is going to be decided in Manchester, and then in summer, Jose Pep Guardiola. And also, there to just and I give me the Abacoso about Nemom no second leg Abacoso Manchester. No, I want to name Amanfo be decided with some Manchester and so qualify, and as someone qualify, and then come Jose Pep Guardiola and so to media to John Pep. May I miss out? Want to say now, Diana say young fan to Mopreco. And then last season 2 games against Real Madrid. You know, Pep Guardiola to find it's the last hour. Na yesa Rodrigo akago di atu atrema mane Manchester no yesa money tutu akamunsam last season 2 games no against Real Madrid no Jose Pep Guardiola ohun saying
get the final. The way we played was really good in both games again, but it was not enough. But what happened in the past, we are not here for a revenge. It's just another opportunity. As much we are here, one day we'll get it. One day we'll reach the final and we will win it. We come here to do this season. But the set is completely different the previous one. No, last season also we came here to reach the final and win it. But didn't happen because we play against Real Madrid, and Real Madrid in this competition knows exactly what you have to do. And as much we play against them or against the top elite teams in Europe, much closer.
Winning summer Jose Pep Guardiola head coach at Man City. And also etumeri to jam for last season game almost one Madrid a boy no chirama za game ne dia atwam ya boawie enei o focus no na match no so ehu anane sema ora na dia to jam ne Pep Guardiola ne yankoche Abrante ne din enso ne Rodri onisem on ya midfielder at Man City team no Rodri last season mokoye ne Madrid eco boy one gasa 2 legs no Rodri ujira mu bobi uhu game ne saying.
Yeah, as you said, I think football gives you the option to go have revenge. Of course, I have the philosophy, and I think all my teammates have the philosophy that you can always learn about the past experiences. We did a great 2 games, but at the end, football was like this. We didn't go through, but we are here again to fight again with illusion, with motivation, with the feeling that we're doing the things very, very good this year, and we arrived, I think, in the best moment. And yeah, as I tell you, we try to learn about what we can improve or what we did bad in that moment.
And then in summer, a branch Wadri, midfielder, at Man City, on Australia, to just send a game revenge. Oceania, my coso last season. Now, say, Nyaman Charan Koyam from Man City, but not dear Nyama Coso, and so the Man City, Bobo Kona, Wadri, Mammy Missau, who player, who colleague, Ellen Bon Holland, last season, no new, a few apart, who said this season alone in our competition to know a branch and 51 goals at the Man City, who shall branch Ellen Bon Holland, a branch and Obe describing the same. Santuna. Possible said this season, Ubaje League, no match Champions League, FA Cup more finals, what you trouble no, and so on. And then some brands say Wadri, and so no Edituja Wadri, mind you.
For us, he's such an important player since the beginning of the season. I think we never doubted about his capability to score goals. That's something he born to, but he fits so well in the team. He's understanding so well how we have to move. But I think as a team, we're getting the best moment right now, understanding each other. I think we changed quite a bit the way we play from last season, and now we're playing 3 in the back. So yeah, many changes, but like always, the team is adapting so good, and we've been really in the last 8 months to arrive here and to try to fight to. In a 3-ball, I think not many teams can say this, but this is a matter of effort, of suffering, of giving everything the last 8 months. But we know that if we want to finish this, we have to give our best the last month. So that's what we're trying to do. That's our duty. And yeah, tomorrow we have an incredible game for us, and we will need to show the best version of ourselves if we want to.
And then some branch Wadri, and so now the 2 jam, and so now our game no more, emu come on, yan so yet to me about yan free Man City, yan copiemo, our home team, no Los Blancos, Los Merengues, the Galacticos, Real Madrid team, no nothing so yan ding come on, and fem free war, a coach and a ding, and so the Carlo Ancelotti on the head coach, and Madrid, nanam yanini ding come on, Carlo, and then no game, Man City, a bona, and say, and what thing, papa, and ne. Empire Santiago Baraboa. There's a big Mukala and Chalati, game and a Basono. Uhuni saying.
For tomorrow is to have a full match to try and get our best at the physical level, at the motivational level, at the technical level. Bearing in mind that we know that the decisive match is going to be the second leg. We want to take a bit of an advantage tomorrow and see if we can manage that.
And then some Carlo Ancelotti ready to judge them so on the game no Nina the Belgian second leg no super and Omokwana Fisuma come manage game no that's almost so no at me the Uram second leg in man and some coach and so area to join Carlo Madrid Akuffo semi-finals Barima drawn a Bani Champions League na what I do a free semi-finals so no O Carlo Ancelotti say achievement kasi at Madrid ana.
That it would be in Letica with the qualifying round would be, and Modric and Willi would be there. An advantage would be a positive result for us. A small advantage would mean also to feel properly in the match, not to suffer a lot. It's not just about the result. If we are okay during the match, if you can create problems for the opponent team, if you're able to avoid problems, this could also be a bit of an advantage, and we'll try to do that tomorrow. We know it's a very demanding match, very demanding for everyone, because when you get to a semi-final on a competition like this one, it's normal and it's going to be demanding.
and then some Kala Ancelotti to just semi-finals no do a normal Madrid result say or no say a normal Sano describing and semi-final game Amonsona Bona Kalo Amanfo Kase Abrante Luka Modric the maestro in Finfiano and then on Channel and to me Mobi Abrante Luka Modric and a game no Obetima ball.
No problem. When Luka Modric is okay, he'll play. So tomorrow he will be playing.
So Man City for Muntiani Kala Ancelotti confirm or say Abrante Luka Modric or you okay? Nene Obejremu Esia Kaim and Sonum Eriama I Real Madrid team no and then Sonin command if you Pana Yaka Modric as some Ziggy for Modric Abrano ye training no now Madrid training grounds and as a Madrid stadium mono for Tosona Amanfo who Abra Luka Modric and also a training Amanfo with Sampa Abrante and ne Obekom Papa Eriama a Real Madrid team and no Facebook that's so say Luka Modric no that's so Hrisia no apete no apeja ne nan ba kwa kire wiem na say ostretch echema apeja ne sa kire soro na say wadani ti akwa dani ti aba na say training no eno na Luka Modric nso no na yente Manchester fan na ayam say Abrante Luka Modric no ene otumi mo no training no wa ye the coach Carlo Ancelotti nso no na confirm and so the man say Abrante na 7 p.m. Ghana time open up no Abrante Luka Modric nso be si form na fenso wa Siakai Ediama Real Madrid team no and so nkoma tocha Yediama etie for Ziggy Yemfi Madrid kakra Yenko City City training grounds so na kwesem and then Mantia no normal boto kakra no City training grounds so Ziggy for City training no ever to na twum sem Amanfo no as a City players normal boto kakra ubonwe se ba kumienu no mo gina ha we ni coach no gina na se Haaland ni the brand so gina no mo din komo na se Bernardo Silva so we gina no mo din komo akwagwe se City players no maboto e wa bro ko pie mu e o Madrid krobia ni mu etucha wodri ni De Bruyne na omudi nkomo kakra na se omujira mienu ne miensa na se ya to players Man City players no so na so Pep Guardiola said na normal on second leg no and Ojin ho ancha da nyen first leg no second leg no and Ojin would say no Facebook bo say Man City players no and so no aye training na o na say almost so jira mienu miensa na so mu di omo nkomo omo dwen say ne game no and so because so and so na dem City team no and so ne nkomo efiri opa yen so ne yetumi dia tutwa and so na dia ma na say ucha Champions League trophy na efe Ocha Champions League trophy the way team na GB na say o me say ade papa na say Arsenal for me ke Arsenal mo me say ade Ziggy for Champions League trophy no for to so na Amanfo say na trophy ne ti fa McJohn na wo ha John Mark wa fa trophy ne to so o ya Arsenal fan nti no imagine say Arsenal fan wo MC na the Champions League trophy no to so our Facebook for na hwe na John Mark for to so na Amanfo mu Champions League trophy no say na eno so it's a there's a trophy at papa F trophy there F papa pantinum a coupe de club championnat European say when Champions League trophy no and I know so that's some no Facebook that's signing papa bakwana beji Inter Milan AC Milan Real Madrid Man City no mu bakwa and beji afi ankwaya Arsenal ankwaya Chelsea anya Man United ne Barca omunya struggle Europe afi no Champions League trophy no and also na daswa and also no chemu come no and also yari pan free Champions League munam encoding come fofro okay former Barcelona head coach Frank Rijkaard wakasa say Xavi no Barca no ono dem osusu say papa no nani bechi so betuma chi cup no and as La Liga no eriama Barca team no ntene no Frank Rijkaard ono former Barca coach and no akasa say nani bechi say Xavi and Anderson so no betuma chi La Liga no and so them Barca team no and also no come efro bana Barca Madrid and as a Barca na fe so no Messi issues no report na fi Saudi Arabia Barca likely say Abrante Lionel Messi Super Bowl Ramu and so Saudi Arabia. Now face wako sign a contract no bar ye chem say Abrante and Kasane ne papa bepa but report if Saudi Arabia ban some possible say Abrante Lionel Andra Messi Colchini no onu Super Ramu no Saudi now no wako sign a contract no and so no etimi adiama Saudi club and it Al Hilal there's 400 million euros no Abrante and Super Cup na face no wako jim no Saudi Nessa Brabon Sanity 400 million euros in Messi Chichen and I say so Belkan on court now said Tom Busher said Tom when you want to that's 400 million euros ye chemu 2,000 krana or Belkan yes teaching will Krobanum and said Yanika Santino said Tom Belcom 400 million euros ye chemu 2,000 krana or Belkan Jinis was fast crown yes or Zon Chichen as but Messi and then Papa Etchin Choman I said no 400 million euros. Hey, as Edin Papa Edin Ghana, you say I for Australia for my 30 million, Australia for my 30 million euros. Near the Remo, ya Greek, you know, it's 400 million euros. No Messi, Quaqua Jim Afibia, our Saudi Moon Common Sonum, Yere Pam Yasim Kuma Nayanko, Nafenson, Yanko, Abrante Edda Militao, and Abrante and me and Mobi and Fama, Madrid, Pobocono, and Tisana Susa Brante, Edda Militano, and Yadene, on Usubet Metramu, Asia Kaim, Ediama, Real Madrid Timno, Namama Uram Nafenson, Memfam, and possible lineup, and as a probable lineup, no, and Famau and Zonum, no, Tim Sanakachi. I likely said Timson as a player. Or met my chance and Sunum. Edema Timson no and so any Shannon so Sam referee the game of Portugal referee the game no of Portugal referee him and so no ade Suarez Diaz yes Suarez Diaz or no any referee and then so no between the game no and so no between Real Madrid and Afonso Man City Moon Common and also Yari Ma we try to the probable lineup no and so that media to jam the Akuffo El Madrid and say goalkeeper as usual Tiba Courtois onum and obe started them Madrid Samson right back and defense no enie ubanyam Dani Carvajal Ramos and so na chire Samson Abrante Din and so Antonio Rudiger be started them Madrid na fence no Abrante Din and so David Alaba and also Gina na fence no Eduardo Camavinga and also about left back no Madrid na fifth one senator Federico Valverde Samson Antonio Cruz na fence no Luka Modric, I'm possible Sunday. I'm started them Madrid on FIFA offense up front from Abrante Din and so Vinicius Junior, Rodrigo Guest, and offense Karim Mustafa Benzema, when him Rantia Dubakwa, and possible Samson started Ediama Madrid Tibnum and so Oha, and we come on say Yadi Bana Man City no, and also no probable lineup on Senatia, goalkeeper Edison Morales and so no, or better post Ediama. I am Man City Timno, Sansura Chirobena, Manuel Akanji, Nathan Ake, Abrante Din, and Sonum Adi, Diaz, Ruben as a Ruben Diaz, and Afensoro, Abrante Din, and Sore John Stones, and also a Pom Mediama, Man City, Antonio Ho, Nanfifon, Senator Bernardo Silva, Ike Gundogan, Omunina Bejan, Wadrimo, Ebejan, Diamam, Man City, Timona Fenso up front, Wakonya, Brante, Kelvin De Bruyne, and Afenso Jack Grealish, and Abrante Din, and Ellen Brown Haaland, when a probable lineup, and also because when them Champions League, Emu Komano Sono, Yadia to jump, and Sono Ediaman, Aminisinum, Maminko Sim, and Sono, no, yet Liverpool, Timno, Mohamed Salah Casa, or say a game on Nagaso Veshebi, or say a game or bear enjoy game no papa. What describing game is a bear fantastic in Tonum Mohamed Salah Galino, or so bet to me I enjoy game be and Sono honest or Tifia or enjoy Man City and Madrid, and you've been a catcher, I say game very fantastic, and then game 7 p.m. no. Baby girls in Muntie, baby girls on Master Muntie, and then 3-7 men Fred. Ben was happy about 9:30. No afraid. It's like ofra memfa call into baby girls muntie and then you enjoy Champions League night and yet telenovela over short telenovela na wato TV into me ma to me TV we baby girl na be share ya masa me no wa na share Champions League into no open a power na say Papa Django o Madrid team no na say my wife nya we say no un say da nya bre man sa obonya bre dia ma Madrid team no say da nya bre nfa ma yere sa into ne no so no na Franca and so wo mu heti wo so Man City Franca catch baby boy say na un say da nya bre man no into ne no be enjoy Madrid Man City game no into bi am fan channel was say na 7 p.m. no yeah enjoy Man City and as Madrid and I feel so Man City game no tell my baby girls and nya we no telenovela such as any man na etwe and the game no unya chips kakra now and now popcorn bi now nya coke bi si unchan na baby girl sha unchan go ne ba na nya team na acha kra na otumi jojo wakoma on say ya sha kra na baby girl ba jojo wakoma nti ano so ano nti ye be si na say ya be din komo no fie na din komo wi afisam kakra wo no ano so yetumi dia ba na May 9th yes sisa na say arawsam apa arawsam about over 120 people and almost to me sure kwa May 9th ni mu na say 23 years in here 23 22 22 years in here yes pepenia May 9th disaster na CM our Accra Sports Stadium now she ni over 120 and it me sure kwa ye kohwe bo na koye eye atorenchem ni nyina ye bewuram na yetimu enkomo ofie ha say Tom Ziwa tansona say bully anonso na wa skido no pay so bully ni de aya na Amanfo echiacha no oze awa pa na ebulu on ye skido nti anonso eno ye ba be din ko be di Champions League nkomo iwia ewuramu ofie na adwumadi bi nso na nkwanso eba wo kwa man school ni na say bully and I say skido e de ewuram na wacheche ni so kakra na ya be di May 9 nkomo Ghana Premier League nkomo enso no ntia na enso no wache nso star 787 hours and I feel so JDK Atom Enterprise omo enso no ekura yemu ene anopay say Tom BBI fine anopay
boss BBI woko
BBI di dem yes Kido
yes sir
say BBI fine
nyame andom BBI woko
experience nti BBI fine okay ebefa Akropong na afem de aka senia omemu mpanyimfo nso beye na bibibia ayekama won wo ye pena ese esia na wanya na ese ebesu ara Akropong obechira wo de fa nipa so
nti e den ayewo mpanyimfo ya won so wonim de aka se wo beye
yes wonim de nemu aka se wo beye sa pepepe nti no say Tom Roma and the big game no Madrid Real Madrid and I feel so Man City.
Okay, was a team for national form share from Facebook Live and Okoman 97.1. Was Yanka EP or no asem kakra. Because
yes, I know matches no mirror if you can say I know 3 matches, right?
Yeah.
Now 3 matches and about 20 goals. And they PM in 3 matches. I mean, boom, kakra from Fancheme. I mean, more results no still na Amanfo who EPL matches and right across no Fulham 5 Leicester 3 there's Leicester kwa no beko Brighton that's that game no I mean final to the Nottingham Forest 4 Southampton 3 Nottingham 4 Southampton 3 na Brighton upe Europa competition abo na say Brighton tina fie yes, I will put Everton. But say Brighton 5-1. Obi acha Manchester United 9 and Sankwa. Chelsea. Man City share Twumhene bo. Brighton tifio tie for enso kwa we Brighton 1. Everton no we no 19 for no 5. That's the first half and is a game na see. Say Tom, Ureme.
Title race, you know, as I know, one you can once a Champions League position, you know. But I share relegation zone, that's why he hit from 14th, from 16th, yeah. That is Nottingham Forest. About least will be able to make relegation. Southampton there, you see, they are bye.
Nottingham about 35 or 33 points. One was 16. And Everton 17 or 32. Leicester 18 or 30. Leeds 19 or 30. And Southampton 20 or 24 points.
Yeah. The Osha from South Hona Bano. Ulusumacha Obitimako. Because last week in Everton Leicester. And then there was our own. But we no a push you. Leicester has a still that's all. And now Brighton. And now more can they keep on surprise. How many teams, Newcastle, Brighton, Omushia like Omutipen for Omuntimi mo. But Omushia Manchester, Arsenal, Nasifwa, as in Yao. Miami team, only man you. How they played us. Mama. And now first half and a Kelly match, And the Champions League and a big night. My previous submission, my bar for first, me can say Istanbul. 2005, Istanbul. One call final was AC and Liverpool. So I was always tipping there, forgetting, AC Milan form. This competition it recognized the elite teams, recognizing the history. In fact, the overall form. Intimi in fact, we say, share Istanbul. Okay, it's a born COVID time. But I'm paying for train so yes, and they tour and see this season I had as soon as I share so 11 years in 18 call final that. Enko quarter final or Champions League, but they Champions League final no call Istanbul no. A trigger, I'm a AC. On the top 4 crowd of the Italy Serie A no on count but I call through the semi-final. I'm also tipping so we do final. We because say last time we see Istanbul and the Chelsea English team never call final. Yes, because the City is destined for final, but City no one and on enable. The greatest team young can say. On a competition, we watching it 14 times. Anna, this Madrid team, it defies history. On fan history or breaking history. Yeah, Liverpool, time be a royal wedding. Ebe happy with England. Liverpool cost Champions League. But 2018, Liverpool. And Madrid, show moji. Makase this competition we mostly and my depend on statistics and a form, history, and a competition recognize the elite teams. Into Madrid no some players to players, some Man City players are over them. But I be drew on Veva Dibia as a Unimbo chain Madrid City players nibi boss. It and then match Pep Guardiola for the 3rd time wako semi-final from Barcelona or J Champions League or Bayer. Now or Pense or Belgium Champions League or do semi-final or Bar City 2nd time ni or do semi-final or because say like this coach like team tournament is not being good to him. No, the first season or the Barcelona J Champions League, the first season for Barcelona or the Barcelona at the Champions League. Or course so called buyer so called try so the buyer so beji but or try and or ba City so do more beji or do course we can want 2 semi-final into Osha history backs City as I always say Istanbul is England and Italy team into other side no matter say AC never call final. This side, I had because Madrid defies history. Madrid no on history our on form our on pedigree our or breaking records. ono do this stage on fa the okita obeyi wa free o share last season that oyi threat England teams in the free Chelsea, Liverpool, and City na ye kra ni enim say City betime last season ye enim say City betime Madrid the free but just a moment na Rodrigo sister bibia mate say Pep Guardiola say second leg na be define everything but on share Chelsea ne Madrid recently o share first leg na Madrid ekele e ma pressure ba Chelsea so now yanko people so match we is about midfielders in fin one be define who win we share Kevin De Bruyne and Rodrigo mo and I share Toni Kroos and Madrid mo they all have experience but I heard they all experience by Madrid side that is Toni Kroos and Madrid Omaji Champions League several times Ocean so Kevin De Bruyne afina almost bo pronum say omode City team be history at the Champions League and City team we one thing they define almost say now first the name say Pep Guardiola is all about attacking football but CC or the style of play we can almost say he have like learned the art of defending Osha omone Arsenal omone Bayer omo City enim ni say kono na bebo ball ni na eduru ba bia oja ball ni ma wo oja ball no na defend was city up na ono na counter wo sa na say City like ni team ni ye the Pep Guardiola no yenim say Pep Guardiola ba bia wo duru ni de like ko eno ano no but still he is learning ana one player be define this game Haaland make I say who stop Haaland I
feel say Haaland is unstoppable
Haaland City she goes awashe both the league and the Champions League and then we heard the best team stop Haaland do bet ma cut the supply of Kevin De Bruyne and Bernardo Silva to Haaland Anna, you say share the Madrid forward. One of us stop it Benzema, Vinicius. One of us stop it the supply from Toni Kroos in Madrid to Vinicius. One of us stop it. The match it depends on the midfield. And American this City is destined for final, but sa team no on any kobono ono on fa history awo on fa pedigree awo on fa form awo obetima breaking record like ikita boss we get interest match to watch today.
Okay. I know I said Tom them the UEFA Champions League game and Bernabeu I don't know Skido Ramuka Krem, game Man City going to away to face Real Madrid.
Okay, wait a minute. That's Mechiami HOD, Chief Tintin, Akuffo School. Where the Mamembremu from the coaching point, as a volunteer and a potential coach there, I think we need to also learn.
Sure.
And as a PE man too, Anye Oko Brazil, I say the first qualification to coach physical education.
Yeah.
But had we see the PE in a different context. Okay. About competitions are other philosophy coaches be use. We have the league, the gala, the competition in a way of knockout stages near there. So Obia vary in the system. But we share these two clubs. Any era no more do now. Now one club is waiting for more options. That's Man City. Playing the league and looking at the domestic league, maybe an ahon then so I could do no. Ordinary share baby, share. Until you need more players to balance it. And I think City was out there, no. But aside that, psychologically, one year careful so baako betumi atwi afa also now Madrid there you be fan say just weekend you crowd no assign apeja domestic one baako e ofie inti na je ne how no wati bi afiso inti Champions League yo be ahode no was ropa toss Man City inti e ba ne say I know say it depends systems and philosophy and so ebe work and now Pep Guardiola of one of the best philosophy because the style of play no we pass, we attack, we defend. Many are making that way of defending, you know. First, you know, you have to say you defend, but in coaching, yes, another way is that the best way to attack is to defend. That's to keep the ball. The moment I hear pass, not just say, and some emotional way be about players. The moment you lose organization, near the shell. Yes. Unlike the traditional one, Bosima, Kofadra, Debbie, Pep Guardiola assistant BBR. And the time, any given time, Oman obey me, Hawagi. So this game there, history all right, but I think you sure you bet me on Nankasa Crown or Akasa Aje Obefie as Ober City answer, even which means 2 legs, you know, competition rules in bet me a favor Obia. So I think it will be a game to watch and we are willing to see the best side.
Uka coaching assembly, Jose Pep Guardiola, Carlo Ancelotti, in terms of experience, you know, say Carlo, I was saying Pep Guardiola, but modern day football, I do not Pep Guardiola kura compared to Carlo Ancelotti because Pep is more modern than Carlo Ancelotti. Semi-finals, Pep about 10. Carlo 9 wins our semi-final. Comparing the two, no, you say experience back county in terms of coaching our game with him.
Yeah. Aside experience, no, to me, the best philosophy in coaching, Pep Guardiola Diaba, he's having it because the philosophy, no, a keep player be going, provided you are willing to play under his instruction. Injuries are less. You don't use more energy when you are keeping the ball. But still, experience, you know, so your other side. Ancelotti so moving from various legs. I handle different players near there. Into what say, I thought there be a character and so can on him how I use Brazil as compared to maybe certain countries. Into for experience, the Pep it will be, and Omunyina so. But now, back when the team no grano, I be there. Now, back when you know, say, ne philosophy no bit me use the abwa Man City. That's Pep. So, what can be brave? I be do or never day. Acquire them. But Obi can say, let me chip in this. We have 2 teams to play, but there is a 3rd team. That's the officiating team.
Referee.
Yes. Emra yentimi born without Emra. And one decision, it means to sound the face of the game. Inti coaches ni na ayo maden. We should also think otherwise. Say Bibi answer bet me see. And the one who goes with the tactical means can also get his side to win. Inti.
Okay. But quick one on the current form of Man City compared to Real Madrid. Inconsistency kakra Madrid side, although we're winning trophy, but on La Liga, not near Manchester, we lose the La Liga title to Barca. The current form of Madrid, do you think the form of Madrid, Madrid compared to Man City, Man City overcome Madrid or the Champions League?
Okay, Medas. Nia, me when say, per philosophy now, still based on it. Philosophy nintina. Sometimes Madrid and so you bet me actually form near the Akase anyway because Pep philosophy no bet me win by 10 games at also na back when buakem obesi na be peke ladder na no asen akọ 10 15 na asen buakem but the moment at Madrid eko no aba obo draw lose near the no now competition obo no we do knockout stage and to me I think it's going to favor Man City because of the 2 games, home and away. Madrid beat me winning there. But consistency, no matter second leg, ne buake Mama City, at the Ayano cry. and now say City betting agi 2 side ni nyina e dey akọ. So inconsistency e wo Madrid side no. And also a problem because okwa no aba and the moment as I dey na ba na team shape and so essa I think Pep is on top.
Okay. I know Skido and so they on the UEFA Champions League, you know, community baby but 7 p.m. Or Benabao no and they be who senia and also game no be sifa akọ area fa china yeba e be wuram na ya hwe eye post match no and so ewo ho yeba fia bedi efie komo fie no especially on the May 9th, you know, you be wuram May 9th, you know, near the May 9th komo but Santiago Madrid is scared of City. City is untouchable right now. Arsenal will take Arsenal will take the league. The laughing emoji cross out to him said John Mark one of us was and also I don't know. Maminyan is 22 years after say we experiencing the May 9th disaster at Accra Sports Stadium. For me, I'm here personally. I don't think say as a country and as a supporters I echo stadium Kwashebono, we've learned something from this May 9th disaster. The American is say yenye nimnia esha say and as an echo this disaster by. There was this officiating officials. Later supporters until one was didn't come by. Even from the officials, and now I can say we still have problems with that with them. And I there to be true. Because we nipa no way nipa one day ebeba. But the young say young officiating officials so want improve it. And we complain and then talk about and they aba form. And I say gusukoso. On the side of the supporters in Tokwa Hunu was stadium attacks, referee take a decision and koye supporter to unsu wa attack referee supporters etwa won recently e because so the sports team obekwa Accra Kumasi ya ban teams Doma Brekum ayinfa tani amayo nyina akoso abesi ntokwa abesi you see the police also so onu sujina mfa no any police adu won stadium kra no won kokoswe ball ni bi police no kokoswe ball ni bi. I don't blame them. Many police in the could think come na and come many the asema call catch him say okay aye asema wan catch from their authority. They say uko stadium no work one nye chinchina say munko pata nye by force say munko pata esan say munko akopata akwa on be fa so apata no and so the asam for beden ebeba Sabeka May 9th report, and I don't know say Skido where we did one. In the report there were certain police officers there was anka ye prosecute you because manslaughter cause e woni maybe a ye na this adi by the emwa. So the police also feel say well what's yembe bomb ho ban ne de mu betwa mo akwa akade ye say ye de bomb ho ban ye de patamo no tear gas a form of crowd of rain and control and as a rubber bullets any I didn't account but ye kwa ye for how they aba nti pam no twam no moko kra na e be bobo yensa eja no ahwe but no so the how ever referees and the attacks club officials away club officials beba home or attack you on the I think say how but 22 years in Skido, do you think as a country in terms of football is bibi at the May 19 man?
Okay, one thing I can say, still, in a holistic way, young sports and its development, we are still lacking. Yeah, for football no, and our sports in a way say, I say, you concentrate on one and two areas. So what I say, one, GF num nyina wo mra say even wo betu team kura one the field that you play there should be some requirements near there which means even area na abebo ball no kura hu hia o so what do I say
yeah
and sana esono coaching community na what team ni wo no omonti ase wo ball ne ho den ne dia an say ne ba wo mu nti oba be hwe ne ba na ni age da bi ne dia an say or the scaby ashe team nim nti oreba nti obi akura na mindset a oreba nti we raise development now then we should concentrate on other areas obi beba e bia Ghana e betimi aka si yede coach Eriko e bia England no akoye coaching course with maybe Pep no ne ade fine you develop the coaching sector akola bi bako akobo Real Madrid or a Ghanaian obenya more experience obeba eba referee base referee no international way bang no so onya exposure so what I say your other areas be brave obi wo high be support kotoko but through supporting base odi kotoko echi call Egypt obekwa ko new form of supporting styles obenya exposure obetime so intimidation ye be but say mebo obi no membo but e bia medicine e be no na wanya new variations they abandon but to be an center playing body ne pe near the adwin because footballer no corner scan ba any ebedi so what I say inti fans yeah to be cry fans ni be cry my complaints e be cry team owners be omushi their relation with them is very bad ni nyina account and some cry na wako educate sa fans yi say oh ball no cry say na yi say and two aside say bibia no one we cannot take the media out and me wa he de me bra mpacho meka ni enti a meka ne say eto da bia adwuma bia wo mu mra and mu code of ethics but ye mu bi wo hwai ye tam ye hu ni say na ne atam ne sa ne de aba say sha tare ye mhwehwem sana football mra and sports net no your words bi wo hokra won't mean fan direct emba layman's knowledge depending on action based and how the competition goes brofo ba ko be court e wo yusu but e ba board mu a esesa so what they say into media and so one big way the moment they give it out obi an so e ja tum so me call ha mete se wo say board no kura no e bonsa say na ete inti abonsa so what they say but o komre ni mu so ya yo angle bebre a emran wo de hyehye eto da bia ebebu nipa ne nsa ba wa otimi hu se nipa no ansa na obedu no kura no atache bi wo park ne so na e wam no ansa na ne nsa rebo inti for tactical reasons we say ama referee ne reasons be say oh say they are any you be consider say enye normal say nipa no be yesi na ordinance abo so for that matter say ebo ne nsa na ko ha yembo anayesi ya yenye ni say which means no education on the laws of the game so what I say and two answer na education we be go so no enye say yen China Black Stars embo ball answer na as fans we are being educated the competition should come to the down that's inter schools training college sports basic sports into obi anko Akuapem park anko share football wo ho a or the China Black Stars embo ball na mbo bi nsansa so what I say but Akuapem park na BBC obeka say say na there anything mama mfa ade we mbrem time a Okoman ye competition no ewo krom ha no referee base almost the substitution board no e be by the following week me na Akropong-Akuapem some few guys like us na competition no interest na call enimu nti o mu discuss and no be raise say and say the referees no the one way na what the sesan way ni nyina aba if the way na what kind aka ni din nti obi bisa say so like na me twam na obi sa na me bo ni din ma wa na set wa say yehun say ade ni din ni say nti na che say metimi aka say nye sa Okoman di we kura nkrofo bebre nhwe bo ma mu say ye yusu bi within their locality say substitution board player coming out, player going in, red and say net, green say net. That's what I say. In the education is one big factor, and you better educate the public now through the media. In the sometimes we need to invite referees at studio. ABR program you last 5 minutes. Oh, loss of the game no. Law 1 is it echo den. You be any den. Oh, borrow no say net. Next week law 2. You never buy also na you educate the public nigga crank. So what I say. But eja yetimi my award near best player, best coach. Menti so bi abase wa beka FIFA Ballon d'Or. Ya bubo you no bi we nso na best referee. Empire now on our programs. But yenya best referee. Your greatest of all time. Colina num nyina o. Obi nim. But best footballer na no sure Ronaldo no jina award year. Wadana.
So you think say the education no encheranko?
Education.
Okay.
And I'm say education nso nye base say chenchina kofa referee no mra ha. Sports organization no. Say ba locality na professionalism ne bem. Average Ghanaian akola or basic. So bebo na when we say referee, when we referee a genedia, aje wa ko super zonals. Because ni school mu and any district, ne mass teacher bi na ekura aben na ogina park na so. Sorry to say to the kura o she ne teaching outfit no digina park na so ogina one side. Wo ba aben a akola na di so. But sa akola na nyi no bebo second division e fido ko shia referees na shentare na interpretation no nya wo primary school say no man teacher na she ordinary atare na no dey no mindset no be sesa in the horn ebo on say yeje but the referee match also had what to hwe enti na on say boy dey nye foul so what you say intina just say developmental stages no erekachi into what is a player we kura ko shia obroni na ono so afa system ni mu abedu under 17 no knowledge on the field and obroni sign e we nim say no aje wo ne na agba for some time and so no be adapt to we ni say na enya ni nyina na e bon say woje but what it to shine e bon say na what to fam there what confirm ni nti won say na ko kan abo no ba wugina won so there say na ye no these are the angles so what is it in education e dey yentimi go away with we should try as much
Okay, now supporters no young na our catch on chinche na May 9th no
ni American say football no niema bebre wom nti wo rekwa adwen bang na wo dey ahye team so wo share the entertainment side of football even before I go beba no your other qualities are players as betima obi kura anije e wo ball mu the style of play yetimi ball 1-2 be suli ebni ade people get entertained through all the skills ni ade that's why in football it's a teamwork and football is the best sport because 11 players no including the goalkeeper no mjina park obi ade different environment and the styles na eba inti se me kura no me okuapin na mere bobo a so no se na okuapin fo no beje ball na atum obi nso ya Brazil fo na betwe wan ba ansa na yaso no field ne so no obi adwuma obi peramos asem because obi aka uchi ngwa asem o ya obe ball kakra obe we kakra some people entertain themselves with those styles obi nso pe ne ma no yama sulia na ade obi nso pe ansa na the main thing goal scoring na ba the first US omo dey and say omo pe ball because if 90 minutes
0-0
now about 0-0 there then yeni enje into your per basket every second every minute be a erisun no yeni reje ye hurihuri America philosophy ne eno kura gina so mu ana FIFA ede US 94 amount just to change their mindset say no you are one of the big countries so football is developing we can't go without you mu host to nema next week and US host to say when per their philosophy in coaching and then abe raise Pulisic no me they are the generation after the World Cup so what I say inti niema bebre obo nim ti wo ko park no so ye pa chawo referee so any part say wa na ade ba kon wo ho ne say referee no akokan mra no amra no so enye Ghana na ye de Ronaldo num ya ye hwe won ya na ehye mra no but besides Ronaldo adwen ode bobo na enu bi na kotoko striker no de bana so what you say enti eba environment ni mu a to me you limited because players no difference wo enti wo require no ahwe say oh me kura me park no abonji wo mu nti me player betimi atofem ana say ball no kura betimi abo bi nsa based on say park ni nye enti men fa Ronaldo no mde na wo ye ne mba ha straight yeah see a building ti you compare totally say me person me Ronaldo dim no see a say football no FIFA say remote village cry you enjoy football into last na American say person enjoy the to the can and say yes Akropong-Akuapem e be ball na na offside rule dream man see a bit me we should take it out of the game yambo no offside yes enye chinchina say we say oh obroni ndi ni bi odem brana ba but emum ne afifa nyan sansa na ode Akropong ni beba world cup no sort offside ase but na ni beje wa hana offside no what do you mean you so now bebo ball na ni eja football na orebo no e kan ho nti fans yanto yan bona eja oye ne say enye say CB although nkakra bi because but very bad say yenuanom referees ni ade although obi answer one way obi say angles be a almost omuhu referees and they judge them differently and also a human factor into your power child despite everything I'm quite here them massive
okay I know excuse no so Tom remember May 9th disaster 22 years near a course so our year Accra Sports Stadium share about 120 people
exactly 22 years in May 9th course so our Accra Sports Stadium now we shall football it brings us together the unity in energy and a buying them now so we will call stadium now we call no one body something adding ye catch supporters no now omuye no boss on my investigation like
some investigation cost report about that report on it about now tutu agbo no kra no enye tutu ketwa
so are they educating us
so education na be na education ni bia na but you see
here recently here Tamale cities near Aduana Aduana called Tamale cities where they see and Tamale cities so bad doma where they see and where bia no
I think the recently Premier League teams in the moment said to 2001 and first now at the lower division 1 but this season make sure that any incident we are from division 1 I think say yes but the Premier teams in the moment and second
and also push Premier side now I think looking at the fixtures and the table no and also count it's too tight or one lose one win it change the table any time into ama aggressiveness you perceive a winning you perceive a qualify you perceive a winner more unlike first we won't say na obi atimu kra na ehun say the fans nanga sakra wa adwin mu nim say waje awia na wuntimi kra enko inti wo limit wa adwin dada but say no the playing side na ama points no abe close and which is good to football but the fans base how are we going say it as that way so
I'm not seeing officiating very good we have to motivate our referees to say awards and then I say for
I say you can't administration on that but say referee best referee at the end of the season a car of a marker and then you can just
somebody or was it league is where you
oh say and I think say car as
by league near where we now you say baby a relegation one obi abetima bibi very good
I wish a brand in a car this is our show referee be a dean one just right and your referees near the best sponsorship when your sponsorship I am for kids no so I think that you do but the performance you know one performance in super con can just send your car motivation also what the referee cut 5 months 6 months now to ya and you been a Okoman Okoman no skill
my member eba player development, I see it's a challenge to us. My boy ni bi. My boy through schools they cry my Babo University Guse bro. Sometimes send our coaches be handle I think to the profession, some people don't deserve to coach. Say player create me nyam from someone who accept say why I'm from so. Yaone we be a coaches be edwura players muno. Emma yes, Emma players no psychologically almost the style of play. Sometimes football we play with fairness. I have fair game. No, it's not about say you're winning. Sometimes young incidents are Real Madrid ni etia Man City ni. But on the to me say metia minuya. Emma those way never. Your other way so it may end up in different way. Yes, but FIFA is also motivated and now encourage the good side of football. And to be over here, they be promote football. I think the FIFA about so. So what I say, it is as a coach. Now juvenile boy who coach no be at here. Now coach Timmy Buena. Hey, what OTA one? Yanibi. Especially basic school teachers near the other.
Recently,
who build the spirit be Ashan Kolanim. At that level, and Mamenka football you are amateur and you're professionals. Yeah. Until you get to the professional level, amateur near maybe and win here. Secondary school, JSS sports, for participation and fun. CMPG and Yentuya Kolebia coaches cry Yentuya Moka. But Inti say in Colano, Borba Copeda Park so. Nanipa be 1,000 egu ho a worry entertaining one socialization obi wo okwas obi shi obi wo magis no ne nya yonkofa da chi adwuma mkura be hwe shi a bank no ma fa yonkofa. Those are the priorities you encourage sports with education mu. It's not about say win at all costs, and it's one of the factor we are dying out of officiating and the football itself. Okay. Win at all costs is scaling our game. Okay. But we should understand it any incidents Man U TV abeshe no. Imo ne antimi say no away team no. Board of boy and we the untimi ya ohwe. Ye incidents Man U bon match. Ama Man U ni epra Tottenham player. But Tottenham player ne da no we are now why player no crown. Fans Manchester fans no crown. Oh sorry they just applaud him say yes. When we are now waba back ye ni eje. All these things are habits I say ye in game no. By end ye nya the board to why yenkum ya hu. From coaching point, as Olusu match now, Niske be menti player, Jimmy, sorry to say. Inti ordinary pressure you know be good, but I will develop a second vision. You are developing.
Okay.
So what I say.
All right.
So what can one organize sports GHS?
JHS, yeah. I was invited there, but no, I can't organize it. No.
Because how way you way JHS ni way answer no one bobo. It kill baby talent do.
My own talent.
Yeah, my main chipping in this way. That football age now mostly you know.
To me, MRI.
You me that age now you see football age now there. We don't focus mainly on the birth of the boy or the girl in terms of football. Say, you own 92 the age angasano. A passport man, and you know the issue. You back with your friend skeletal age. Near weight age. Weight age is basic for no. It depending on no. Where the men can we are near boy be wo do. I right to dream baho. Boy no yenimpa, but sorry to say when you per competition no person or born no any inti oh yes or they inti boys near so any young man playing time or boy or more from academy for no born right within a certain distance na ball passing it by shorter boy and a boy Twumhene Emma ye take boy out. And we ask him say Tom Aden. I say no. I say nyahwe. I say akola na oda pool ni mu no. Short na we are born. Say we under 17 na. Akola ni under 13. Ni developmental stages we. Short no Ochrea, a bit me a bunism, and who knows as Alcola near Dachi way, national team keeper now way. Into ye developing football, and I see a criteria near there. But the same Alcola and our short no. For no cotono level, Ubon says and on your bia. So what I say? Into a basa age near there, and we have skeletal age, weight age near there. And no Brunino, who says still. First, maybe this was in there once what they are named to nation. And then to no other share. In a system, man's weight scaling number, which means a young side in the machine be. Yes, yenya be.
Because in crying, yeah,
yes.
Yes.
And a bad habitat, a war sports development. The moment I call and Mundruna and so return near the other. Performance wise, no problem. Share university team. Na mko join us and I say medicals or football man we here pa.
Skido time ninti but the pep brainer waba studio no abecheche this developmental issues we na Amanfo so say our friend of talent man international near maybe I saw woman here near saw here near from schools near or what much but Ghana Premier League. Yes, 2 matches across game. Yes, Mediama can finish became 2-1 Tanzania Aduana about 0-0 against Kerala.
Mediama show say the result of the league no. Some medical can say Mediama has what it takes to over Africa. Say Takwama is for no sponsor. You see more second match or when Accra to folk or next match.
Yeah.
Some match no be defined. This on meet match league na as on Monday. We have became was them start and none of the American the
became Luciano. To me it doesn't mean taking out from winning the Ghana Premier League because Uche table now became at the third position with about 48 points and two points and a down in Media Man. Media Man next game was against Akropong. Obitume lose against Akropong.
Sure.
Because so totally on fee the title race anyway.
Yes.
Has winning has better 48, right?
Yeah.
Has better 48.
But House of Folk performance when they amount there that China no amount there you know. They are not consistent. We House of Folk now on the Kotoko ni is it Kotoko crowd ma.
Because James next match at home against Lagos Cities.
Is it Adriana for now? I didn't move B.
Adriana draw.
Karela no boy
home no. Because of board Doma. It's in the draw now affecting because Adriana next game. I think away to Twumhene Accra Lions. And Accra Lions we know this season our Accra Sports Stadium results and
but recently in the form so they pay.
They pay as oh no we knew home away no Nigeria. So playing against Accra Lions a very difficult game.
Yeah.
Because if you can't score Karela, a struggling side, Doma. How much more so Media bank against Accra Lions? 4. The 4-2. So Diana starts no. So league no lose when Twumhene league na.
Diana no so sawo Doma Venze. Doma derby boy.
Bruno derby against Bechem last game.
Obitima Sanu egu
na. Another thing skill over Ghana Ghana Premier League.
Oh, so far competition I think for battling of Yebe winning and the other everything is going well. But still my share matches ni be well I think our playing style is now changing. Games ni be well out to me say boys need the ball too fair. And then when those things comes football no you say BB bem. Sometimes you to make off. Now we say ball no you flow to ball traditional way. You're born to say normal coach be in the but in kakra I think sometimes it depends. Morino say about near time or the points are and you mean to say about fine ball but we near shenity now say a balanced thing all right but where they meant for the use me playmate but Bechem meant for the sets Kwajo me playmate or university team I think this season so man of the match when Yambe brave Bechem even I am there say even Okoto yen senior keeper and san Okoye that's Idris Nyoko Azam FC no. Yes. at least mene Mauli Michael Ogwen so you know me nyina ko ball winning by nti. I think I'm proud say me who me playmate out also. Ojan Premier League no ma. O ayere no.
Okay. And you know, you the best and Brenna so na yakọ but yako izigi mami yama na yeah yanko na as usual and oze in the house na search na and next week one our Okwas mind houses so
Monday and Tuesday near athletics.
Okay.
And Wednesday to Friday the games.
Na last year na girls too be they were very, very good at what I saw and
back one by school mu crisis here also oba motivate ne
tintin mi na
there was this tall tintin number we nyina wie we nyina wie but challenge yan after COVID no secondary school ne sports na hairstyle look at all this talent omu nyina wie
those two girls no
it's coming but
were very, very good.
Say you can say ntimi anko university ni bi dey na che say talent na eja na ma me be for say bi akuya sure
Skido achina you to aso
sure
I want to my background we be free na you but say na kind of next week Monday to Friday Tuesday ni athletics
yes
and Wednesday to Friday ni football and soccer
basketball handball, netball,
volleyball.
Yes, Ninyina Beko.
Okay, yeah, because you follow now.
Various houses, you see, Adodankwa House, Kwadade House, Opukwe Champon House. The new name, day students, Yamomo House, Ofe Euku House, Ofe Euku.
Okay.
It says I have 5 houses. That was school name.
Okay. All right. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. You know, I think if I I'll pay young wish staff officer a champon or no a police officer Kumasi Central Police Station. Happy birthday and come emfa emano a free a year no nini abema adom ho or so we say staff officer a champon or Kumasi Central Police Station and then a birthday. Happy birthday and confirm out a year officer a champon wow ni abema adom or so we so happy birthday. Nyami shop papa na also no onye kese ewo ho yabeko na yese jumedi aka no enso no atumi atoa so na right I say menye ayima no say happy birthday in advance and confirm Akuya Mary a channel your birthday you know the writer commentator also we say no any baby girls I don't can see the baby girl Akuya Mary a happy birthday in advance na me boy channel you be celebrate birthday no then so I come up papa Yabeko executive producer ya Kofi Anton Bafo na Kofi Okarajiman pa solo Samson Akrobia Zigini Donzi say Tomzi and afenso say Skido oti omunka ewofia edin ya Kelvin Amponsah Addi yakoi mommy's joints Abrahama michia Samson sister Anita ono ba ya agunyina michia mo ene awiei buchum